guys, it's almost that time to go back. And my flight is from Mumbai to Delhi and then Delhi to Toronto. So just like Canada to India आने के लिए RT-PCR कराना था, वैसे ही यहाँ से जाने के लिए भी एक नेगेटिव RT-PCR टेस्ट बहुत ज़रूरी है. Well, technically, I am supposed to get an RT-PCR test in Delhi at the airport itself, but just to be on a safer side, मैं मुंबई से भी एक RT-PCR करा के जा रही हूँ. And the cost for that was 600 rupees.
Bye, Tanya.
Bye, Tanya. When you see.
You forced us to say this. Bye, Tanya.
Please, I got that.
Welcome to Canada. Back to Canada, guys. Back to my room. So super tired and exhausted. I'm going to sleep, take a nap, and then let's talk about the whole journey. Hey everyone, so I am back after getting some rest. I slept for a good 12 to 14 hours. जब मैं आई थी कनाडा तब everything was normal, but now that I've woken up and I looked outside the window, it's completely white everywhere and it's been snowing since yesterday night. And अभी हर जगह पे snow है, it's still snowing and it is so beautiful. I'm glad that मैं इतने perfect time पे वापस आई हूँ and I got to see the first snowfall of this winter season. So it's great. Although I'm still kind of getting used to being back over here and it feels weird. I feel weird to be back alone here. थोड़ा सा lonely भी feel हो रहा है. I'm homesick already. जब मैं सोई थी, I mean, nobody woke me up. I kept sleeping for 12 to 14 hours and I woke up so hungry and there was no one who got food for me, which was very different back home. एक महीने तक मैंने कुछ cooking नहीं की. I had the best time of my life. I'm back to doing my own work, but ये भी लग रहा है कि vacation over now, time to get work done and time to like just focus on things. So guys, now that I'm back from India to Canada, and a lot of you are planning to travel from India to Canada. You might be students, workers, visitors, and you all have this confusion that what is the exact procedure to travel, what are the documents needed, and is travel even allowed? So I'm going to be answering those questions and I'll just try to help you out so that आपको भी travel करना है तो आप कर पाओ. So I'm just going to tell all of my details and what route I took. So let's get started. So the flight that I took was Air India and it was a direct flight from Delhi to Toronto. So since I stay in Mumbai, I took a domestic flight from Mumbai to Delhi, which was also Air India, and then Delhi में layover था, after which Delhi to Toronto was a direct flight. With so many restrictions going on and since the rules are constantly changing, I thought that it would be better to take a direct flight ताकि मैं India से Canada पहुँच जाऊँ and I don't have to take a layover in some other country, क्योंकि हर country के rules different है. I know there are a lot of flights जिनके layover दूसरे countries में भी है, but this video is specifically for the Air India route because that is what I took. I know कि उससे आप Canada पहुँच सकते हो, so I'm going to be talking about that. Guys, a few documents that you need to have would be obviously your passport. You need your COVID test result. So आपको एक negative COVID test result चाहिए. Now that result needs to be from a specific laboratory in Delhi. So I'm going to be talking about that soon. And you need your result from the ArriveCan app. So ArriveCan is basically an app that you can download on your phone जिसमें वो आपसे कुछ information पूछते हैं, जैसे आपको कौन सी vaccination मिली है, how many doses you've got, where are you gonna stay in Canada, which flight are you in, all of those details, and then it gives you a barcode. So basically आपको हर जगह पे वो barcode दिखाना होगा, उसके बाद वो आपको जाने देंगे. So these are the documents that you need to have along with you. So for the COVID test result, मैंने मुंबई से भी एक टेस्ट कराया था which I needed for my domestic flight, and उन्होंने मुझे मुंबई के चेक इन काउंटर पे पूछा था अपना नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट दिखाने. एंड फ्रॉम दिल्ली आई टुक अनदर टेस्ट जिसके रिजल्ट मुझे दिल्ली चेक इन पे दिखाने पड़े टू बी अलाउड टू बी बोर्डेड इन द कैनेडा फ्लाइट. सो अगर आप दिल्ली से डायरेक्टली बोर्ड करें, इफ़ यू स्टे इन दिल्ली, तो आपको एक ही टेस्ट रिजल्ट चाहिए होगा. बट इफ़ यू आर एनीवेयर एल्स इन इंडिया एंड आप दिल्ली से ले रहे हो फ्लाइट, यू वुड नीड 2 टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स. सो नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट टाइमिंग्स, since COVID restrictions and flights अभी खुली है, so airports are really crowded. They are so crowded and हर जगह पे इतने ज़्यादा lineups थे that I would recommend आप अपने boarding and check-in time से पहले ही पहुँच जाइए. When I reached Mumbai airport, I was pretty much on time, but still I felt like I am going to miss my flight क्योंकि मैं इतना cut to cut timing पे चल रही थी. The check-in counters were full, the security counters were full, and I had to everywhere go and request them that I have an international flight, so please let me go ahead. I would say कि आप before time ही पहुँचिए because all the counters are very crowded. Once I boarded in at Mumbai and मैं Delhi पहुँची, I had a 6-hour layover at Delhi. So according to the rules to travel to Canada from India, it says that you need to have a COVID test result report from the Delhi laboratory. So basically ये जो lab है वो दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट के बाहर ही लोकेटेड है. सो इट इज़ एट अ मेट्रो स्टेशन लोकेटेड जस्ट क्लोज टू दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट, राइट आउटसाइड इट. सो लोगों को ये बहुत क्वेश्चन होता है कि डू वी हैव टू टेक अ 1 day स्टे एट दिल्ली एंड वहाँ पे हम लोग को कोविड टेस्ट कराना है, हाउ डज इट वर्क. सो गाइज, आई हैड अ 6-hour layover and I did a rapid PCR test which was accepted for Canada and उसका रिजल्ट 1 घंटे में आ गया. So 6 hours is enough for you. Anything lesser than 6 might be a little tight, but अगर आपके पास 5 से 6 घंटे है, you are good to go. The laboratory is right outside the airport. आप बस एयरपोर्ट से निकलते हो and you don't even have to go out. You just take an elevator which takes you 1 floor up to the metro station. उस मेट्रो स्टेशन पे हर जगह पे साइंस लगाए हुए हैं कोविड टेस्टिंग फॉर कैनेडा, सो यू कैन जस्ट गेट द टेस्टिंग डन ओवर देयर. So now there was a registration kiosk over there where you can get yourself registered, pay over there and get your test. What I did was, in order to save time, मैंने already अपना टेस्ट pre-register कर दिया था for the time slot when I was reaching there. So I think उससे मैंने काफ़ी टाइम सेव किया. I'm going to link that down, so if you guys are coming, आप directly वहाँ से register कर सकते हैं and you will save time. The cost of the test was 3,900 rupees and 1 घंटे में रिपोर्ट आ गई थी उसकी. So basically what you do is that you go over there, since मैंने pre-register किया था, I just showed them the message on my phone saying that I've registered and then they directly sent me to the place जहाँ पे मैंने टेस्ट कराया. They gave me an acknowledgement sheet. So once you do that, you can wait an hour at the metro station or you can go in the airport and wait over there. क्योंकि गर्मी बहुत थी, so I decided to go in the airport and wait over there. So once you reach the airport, you go towards the end of the airport. I think it was gate number 8. It was the right towards one end of the airport. आप किसी से भी पूछेंगे तो they would tell you. So you go over there and you wait there. So जब आप register करते हो, they ask you for a phone number. So on that phone number, जैसे ही आपका टेस्ट रिजल्ट आ जाएगा, आपको उसका मैसेज आ जाएगा and you can go to collect the paper. So make sure कि आप कोई ऐसा नंबर दीजिए which is working, and once you get that message, you go to the counter, you pick up your report. Hope that it's negative. So thankfully मेरा रिजल्ट नेगेटिव था, तो तब तक चेक इन शुरू हो गया था. Now another good thing was that मेरा जो बैगेज था वो मुंबई से मैंने चेक इन कराया था एंड वो डायरेक्टली मुझे टोरंटो में मिला. I did not have to take it out in Delhi and put it back in. A lot of people had that question कि सामान निकालना पड़ता है क्या दिल्ली पे? So no, if you're going to book your flights together, so जैसे मैंने मेरी domestic और international साथ में book की थी, so you don't have to take it out at Delhi. So that was a really good thing because going to the metro station with all of my luggage, because I had 2 big suitcases and one small suitcase and one backpack, that would have been very difficult. I went to the check-in. Now small hiccup over there. This probably wouldn't happen to any of you. It was a technical glitch मेरे time पे. When I reached there, I just told them I don't have any luggage, so just give me the boarding pass and I can go. So they said that on my name it shows do not board. So I showed them all of my documents and I convinced them that I need to go back and why would I not be allowed to go back. They said don't worry, it's a technical problem, although they made me wait for 35 to 40 minutes जिसमें I was really panicking and thinking क्या मुझे मुंबई वापस जाना पड़ेगा, maybe I'm not allowed back in Canada. But it all got sorted and I got my boarding pass, so all good there. And then I boarded my flight. So one thing which is really important is कि आप वो COVID test दिल्ली से करो, because that is asked right at the check-in and at the boarding. For people who didn't do that, वो check-in पे ही उनको वापस जाने बोल रहे थे. So again after the check-in वहाँ पे भी security check हुआ and then immigration counter पे पहुँची मैं. So the immigration counter was so crowded. I think I was waiting over there for a good 1.5 hours. And the problem was that उन्होंने flights को separate नहीं किया था. So basically all airlines were together and it was super crowded. So इसके लिए guys अगर आपका छोटा layover होगा you might get the test done, but इन सब चीज़ों में बहुत time लग रहा था. Just be very careful about that. And once I was done with all of that, I still had around half an hour left till the boarding began. So I was really hungry. So I went to the food court, grabbed a quick bite and then boarding began. So मैं फ़्लाइट में बैठ गई. It was a pretty long flight, 16 hours की फ़्लाइट थी वो. And guys, wearing that mask for 16 hours is not easy. So and unfortunately मैं बीच वाली सीट पे थी. So like I was in between 2 people wearing the mask the whole time, trying to sleep with a mask on. It was not easy. But still I'm glad that flights are on and मैं यहाँ पहुँच गई. Once I landed in Canada, it was pretty simple. They had computers जहाँ पे आपको अपनी information डालनी है and then a receipt comes out and then you go to the immigration. वहाँ पे वो receipt देखते हैं and they let you out. So मेरा stamping जो हुआ था वो दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट पे हुआ था. Canada में it was mainly automated and वो receipt के बाद वो आपको बाहर जाने दे रहे थे. And then at Canada airport, a few people were randomly selected to get their COVID test done. I was not one of them, so I could directly get my baggage and then get out. So मैंने जल्दी से अपना baggage ले लिया. I got out, took a cab and reached home. And here I am. So this was my journey from India to Canada. I am glad that मैं इतने टाइम बाद घर जा पाई एंड ऑल्सो मैं स्मूथली वापस भी आ गई. So I'm really glad about that. Now guys, although flights are open right now and these are the rules currently. Rules keep changing every day. They keep on adding restrictions. So by the time you watch this video, I'm not sure कि ये rules same रहेंगे कि नहीं. So guys, please do your own research and do your own readings before making any decisions. And hopefully you guys can come to Canada soon. So if you have any more questions, then please drop them down. I will try to answer them to my best knowledge. And if you guys like this video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And now that I'm back in Canada, I will be posting more videos. I will be more regular over here. So stay tuned for more videos and I will see you guys again soon. Till then, bye.